Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on March 27th. Market analysis. Geopolitically, with the negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict, it may be possible to end the conflict. In addition, U.S. President Trump dropped a tariff nuclear bomb on Wednesday and announced a high tariff of 25% on imported cars. This radical policy, which came into effect on April 3rd, marks an all-round escalation of the trade war. The spot gold market fluctuated in a large range. During the Asian session of this trading day, the market once surged to $3,038.41 per ounce, and then fell back. Currently, it is trading around $3,032 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the trend of the Trump administration's tariff policy and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to the Russian-Ukrainian conflict. At the same time, the future trend of the Federal Reserve's monetary policy will also affect the market trend. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of 30.26 to 30.39, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,039 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 30.49 to 30.59. If the afternoon market breaks 3,026 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 30.16 to 30.06. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the main decline mood in hours, and the chart is in shock in 15 minutes. The oscillation range of the short-term 15-minute chart is 1.0763 to 1.0787. Investors can flexibly sell at high prices and buy at low prices within this range. If the exchange rate in the afternoon successfully breaks through 1.0787 points, we can consider intervening in multiple orders, and the upper target position can be set in the range of 1.0800 to 1.0840. If it falls below 1.0763 points, you can consider intervening in empty orders. The target position below can be seen in the range of 1.0730 to 1.0700. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar fluctuates at a high level on the hourly chart and at a high level on the 15-minute chart, with a fluctuation range of 1.2900 to 1.2930. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price. If the market breaks 1.2930 points in the aftermarket, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at 1.2986 to 1.3020. If the market breaks 1.2900 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at 1.2870 to 1.2810. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6298 to 0.6318. If the market breaks 0.6318 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6355 to 0.6390. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6298 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6260 to 0.6220. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is at a high level. The short period 15-minute chart is in the oscillation stage, and the oscillation range is 150.01 to 150.75. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen falls below 150.01 points in the afternoon, you can consider intervening in empty orders, and the target position below can be seen in the range of 149.70 to 149.20. If you successfully break through 150.75 points, you can consider intervening in multiple orders, and the upper target position can be set in the range of 151.35 to 151.85. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.